In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through in Outlook using keyboard shortcuts, or rather how to manage it when those shortcuts aren't quite available. Now, if you're someone who's diving into the world of digital communication with Outlook and want to make your email stand out, a simple strike through can add a lot of effect by conveying a message in a subtle yet striking manner. However, as we're about to see, achieving this in Outlook, particularly through its web version, requires a bit of hands-on action because unfortunately there isn't a direct keyboard shortcut available. So let's jump right in. First things first, you want to head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. This is where all the action begins. It's fairly straightforward to get there. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Outlook. Once you're on the page, the next move is to click on the sign in button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, so have your email ID and your password handy to ensure a smooth sign in process. Remember, being signed into Outlook is essential as it allows you access to all of the features we're about to explore. With access to your account, the next destination is the mail section. This is where you'll compose your emails and naturally where you'll incorporate the strike through feature. Navigate to the mail by simply clicking the mail option visible in the dashboard. Upon entering the mail interface, you'll see the new mail button, typically found at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a new pane for composing a fresh email. Now that you have your new email window open, it's time to type your message, type out the text you intend to send. Once your content is in place, it's critical to focus on the specific words or sentences you need to apply the strike through to. Highlighting is key here. You can highlight text by clicking and dragging your cursor over the specific words you want to stand out. Make sure you've selected the exact portion of text, as this will ensure the formatting is applied correctly and exactly where you need it. After highlighting the text, this is where many people expect a keyboard shortcut to save the day. But, as we'll emphasize, Outlook on the web doesn't support a direct shortcut for applying strike through, so the process requires a little more manual effort. Look upwards towards the toolbar at the top of your window. This is where all the formatting options reside. Here you'll find a range of choices: bold, italics, underline, and more. Amidst these, there lies the strike through icon. It's typically designated by the letters A, B, C with a line through them. Clicking on this icon will immediately apply a strike through to the text you've highlighted. Though this might differ slightly in other versions or configurations of Outlook, the principles generally remain the same. For example, if you're using a desktop version of Outlook and you explore the formatting options via the toolbar, you might find a shortcut available. It's often recommended to check the help section in your Outlook app or web page for the most updated keyboard shortcuts and formatting techniques. For now, since we're working primarily with the web version, make sure to use the strike through button in your formatting toolbar. It's a little bit of extra work compared to a one button shortcut, but the end result is just as effective. And once you've applied the change, your text will now have a strike through showing an effective representation of edits or discarded information that still offers context to whoever is reading your email. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a strike through to your text within Outlook on the web. It's simple, practical, and while it might require a couple of extra clicks compared to a shortcut key, rest assured it's a functional skill to have in your digital toolkit for email communication. Hopefully you found this guide helpful and you can now confidently add strike through to your emails in Outlook. Don't forget to explore other formatting options in your toolbar to make your emails even more engaging and to manage your text with precision. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, you can leave your queries in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials.